Here's a nice straight, just cruising, getting up to that near enough 40 miles per hour. Hero. So refreshing just to get out in the evening, because it's been so hot in the day with no wind, no breeze. It's just very refreshing to get out now. It's so nice, even if I'm just cruising around, having a look around, taking in the scenery, getting some fresh air. Oh, it's all good. If you hadn't already noticed, anyway, I've got my brake sensor connected up now, so I feel a little bit safer, a little bit more in control, and I'm not going to out-brake the motor or something silly like that. Have I done anything else to it? Nope, just literally done that. Only got it on the back brake. I might put it on the front brake, not sure yet. I was just really testing it out because I wasn't sure how it would work. Hi. Cheers. So stealth, no one even hears me coming up behind. Great. But yeah, these sensors, because these are hydraulic brakes, I've needed, I can't remember what it's called now, the actual name of the sensor, but it's got a magnet which needs to be touching the sensor, and when you press the lever, the magnet obviously breaks connection, and it tells the whatever that the brakes are being pressed. I'd love to have a look up here. Oh wow, look at that driveway. Should we just go up here a little bit? Oh wow. I ain't gonna have to go far. I think this place has probably got cameras. Wow, I'm going to turn around because this is some private loaded lord estate kind of place. On an evening like this, they're probably all out on the balcony and they see me and think, who's that? Just get their shotguns out and pew pew, pepper me. And I don't want to go to hospital. Get off my land kind of thing. Oh, there's someone there. Oh, ignore it. Quickly rip off. Look at that quaint little cottage. Lovely, isn't it? Wrong way. Let's quickly get out of here before we close doors. That's the back of that posh place. Oh my, look at that. Keep going. I'm definitely looking to be shot today. Oh, look at that air. Look at that. What is that, man? Oh, some old air raid bunker or something. Some really nice features there. And out here, what a view. Let's get out of there then. Munchak beer. You wouldn't really like to see that right in front of you on these gravelly roads with these thin tyres. It's quite lucky I wasn't going much faster, really. It's just so peaceful, it's great. Look at that garden, massive. They are Lord of the Manor, aren't they? Just imagine that. Must take all day to cut that. Oh, scared little Joey. I would never swap where I am for the city. One, because I like riding motorbikes off-road and you can't get that opportunity as much living in the city. And two, it's just so peaceful and the fresh air. It's just me. Might just be me. Like, all this greenery. No combustion engines choking me out. Oh yeah, why I fitted this sensor was mainly because when you got pedal assist on, I'm not sure if this would happen if I just had thumb throttle and go into settings and take off pedal assist, but there seems to be a massive delay when you are pedaling and you stop pedaling for 5 seconds maybe, roughly. I'm not sure, I've never really counted, but there's that massive delay and you can feel the bike keep pushing. So obviously if you need to use your brakes, it's not going to be very healthy. So now I've got the sensor, I've got that instant cut off, although there is a slight delay. You can see, I don't know if you can see the light keep coming on. It's like a handbrake light but blue. I suppose it is a handbrake actually. It's not all about ripping for me. I do enjoy going fast, but I also just enjoy getting out and just being stood up on a bike like this, not nearly killing myself or risking injury, and a nice peaceful little cruise. And like I said, take in the scenery, get some fresh air, clear my head, and well, get on the bike. That's killing about 3-4 birds with one stone. All those lily pads, must be loads of frogs in there. What is going on here? The Lord of the Manor, definitely. Look at their driveway entrance pillars they're having built. Oh, ain't ya? Wow. Oh, there's a camera, maybe. We'll be gone by then. This nice driveway. Let's start braking. You don't want to hit those gates. It's a bit rough. Oh, this is weird, this sort of hardtail thing with all that weight in it. Oh no, oh sugar. I hope I jumped that right. That was a puddle. A test for this hub thing. Oh, lovely. Oh. Sort of what this bike needs. It doesn't want too many, too difficult, the terrain too lumpy or hard or bouldery. It likes this sort of smooth stuff. Pass this lake then. out of here then. Lovely. Last thing, I don't want to get a puncture where I am. I enjoyed that. Yeah, I want to check something. I can feel some heat here. No, not much. Oh, jeez. You could fry an egg on that. What does that mean? There's hardly any airflow tonight, and it's still probably about 25 degrees. What does that mean? Turn the hub motor down, try and let it cool off? I don't know. That's what I'm going to do. That was hot. I nearly burnt the palm of my hand. Well, that was interesting. Do you know what? God knows where I am. I've just been going on this somebody's drive and it just keeps going and going. It's lovely. Imagine having this if this was your parents and you had this to rip your stuff on. Watch out for any sort of T-junctions, and I know there's one somewhere around here. Gotta be here. Cattle grid. Whoa. Let's try and hopefully this should come out on a road somewhere. Whoa. Whoa. Lovely. Wow. Oh god, I hope my tyres are alright. That's gravel. I don't want a gravel rash. Not up that way. I'm watching it for oncoming traffic or something. Trying to work this place out because obviously you don't want to keep pressing the brake. Meet up with something now. Dare not even look at that speedo. I'm looking at the ground, seeing what's ahead, looking for any holes or patches. Private road, no access. Okay, we won't go up there. Just thought I'd pull over here and enjoy the scenery for a few minutes before I head home. But before that, I want to mention that what I've been up to this evening is a perfect example of what this bike offers me. Just exploring opportunities it offers is great, and it's stealth, so that's good, and it's fun. And that's all it's about, having fun. Admittedly, it's not going to pull your arms off, but you can still get some speed up and improve your riding skills. I love it. It's just another option. But what I've been up to this evening, well, I just wouldn't really do that on my Suron. It will just draw too much attention, but at least on a bicycle it's a bit different. Yeah, I just want to say that. It's just offers me exactly what I want out of something like this. Yeah, I would like it a little bit more torquier, low down grunt, but maybe we'll come up with a solution for that in the future. I don't know. Tested the brake sensor, that's all good. It's been a lovely evening. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. It's just perfect for e-biking. And I've definitely got my electric hit this evening, that's for sure. If anyone's looking at that barn, that's actually an old a farm barn. You know, an agricultural barn, sorry. But the rules are, and have been for the last 10 or 15 years, that a farmer can build a barn and change of use in 20 or 30 years, maybe less. I can't remember, but it's a long-term investment. So they build these barns, leave them like that, and it's obvious that is going to be a house. Look at those long windows they're going to have and the big open, you know, fronts. But yeah, going off the subject there, that was just a bit of development and planning ideas there. Yeah, so if you've got a lot of money anyway, and you can put it aside for 10, 20, 30 years, that's what they do. That place will be worth $1 million easy when it's done. Right then, I'm going to wrap this up here then. I've enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoy this upload, and maybe we shall see in the future. MOTO Machines out.